Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a do-it-yourself Diva Ring Light. This has some wax paper wrapped all around it, so it doesn't look so fancy, but we're going to be doing it with these rope lights and a wire wreath, and then we're going to be having aluminum foil on the back with a cardboard ring with some parchment paper and Ziploc ties, tying it all in. I wasn't going to show this video because I just threw my camera on while I was doing it on the floor. I wasn't even sure if I was going to post it, but I figured maybe some people would learn a few things, and you know, I thought it was cool when I saw it. So anyway.
All right, so here I am just tracing the wire wreath, the outside and the inside, and I'm going to cut it out so that I can wrap some aluminum foil around it and get it ready as the base for the ring light. And this part was actually a lot harder than I thought, getting that inner part to be cut out because I guess the cardboard was pretty thick, and to get it started it took me a little while. So here I'm just finishing it off, and I'm going to have that ring ready. Just wanted to make sure it fit, and I'm going to go grab my aluminum foil while I adjust the camera so that it fits nicely. So here I have the aluminum foil, and I'm going to wrap it around the cardboard ring. You don't necessarily need the cardboard. You could just put the aluminum foil on the back of the wire wreath, but I feel like this is going to make it more sturdy. Okay, so once I have that all finished, I'm going to just kind of secure it all and push the aluminum foil so it's nice and snug on the ring. I'm going to grab my lights. I'm going to use the chapter 16 feet LED rope lights, and you want to make sure to use the daylight ones because these soft ones just don't give you that nice ring light brightness that you want. So I'm just going to undo this, get it all undone before you start strapping it into the wire wreath, just because that's going to make it easier so it doesn't get all tangled up. Okay, so here it's a little hard to see because the wire wreath is blended into my floor, but I'm just grabbing the LED lights and wrapping it around the wreath and securing it with those zip ties, trying to make sure that, it's nice and spaced evenly. And here I just pulled it out a little bit more just because I wanted the lights to stick out a little bit farther. That way I had a little bit of slack when I wanted to plug it into the wall. So here I'm just wrapping them in, trying to make sure that there's no gaps and filling everything in so that it's full of lights all the way through the wreath. And I did buy large and small zip ties. I suppose you don't need to, you could just buy the large ones, but I got the zip ties that were small in the mail by accident, and then I had to go and buy large ones also because the aluminum foil base would not fit all the way around the lights and the wreath and the cardboard with the small ones. And also at the end, when I wrapped the parchment paper around the wreath, I also needed the large zip ties for that. Once you're done with everything, you're going to snip off those little tails from the zip ties. Makes it a little prettier and gives you the option to wrap the parchment paper around it if you'd like to. And here's the finished result, guys. I think it came out so great. I'm so excited to use this thing. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and thanks so much for watching.